Hi, good evening everybody. Today we're going to start our course. It's about SketchUp, it's SolidWorks software. As I have told before, because I'm sorry I was busy and I didn't have time to do it, I'm sorry for the late. Okay, this video is about SketchUp, as I have told before, yeah. So it's SketchUp, but from the beginning to professional. I explain myself. So if somebody, I have done this course in engineering company. Why? It's because they migrate from the other software and they want to start to work with SolidWorks. It start from nothing, beginning of nothing to professional, because they are professional, no? And also I have given it for engineers, students, and I have teach it online, so I have experience in this. And I give you all the tools, then you can work as a professional. It's why it's very interesting. Why? Because I have done courses for people who have done the courses for SolidWorks, but when I saw him, my God, they don't remember nothing. It's normal. Why? Because they study in group. After that, the professor go it's general level, so maybe he's faster than you. Maybe you forget too much when you study software. That's why I did this course. And maybe the professor give you 100% and you forget 30%, and you don't use 20%. And in 1 month after you study software, you remember only about 20%. I know what is it. I have done courses. So it's why I have give you this course. You start from nothing, from beginning nothing to professional. I give you all the tools. We start from nothing, from the how you build your sheet drawing, quotation, annotation. You have 4 chapters. The last chapter is advanced. It's very interesting. It's advanced. How you work with your sheet metal. It's very interesting. Ok. Ce cours, c'est pour les gens SolidWorks, SketchUp, c'est pour les gens qui migrent d'autres softwares à SolidWorks. Voilà, des professionnels. J'ai donné ce cours à des professionnels, des entreprises. Voilà. I have done this course for companies, non? Des gens, voilà, qui migrent d'autres softwares pour utiliser le software proprement comme des professionnels, non? Je donne tous les outils, non? Une personne qui n'a jamais utilisé SolidWorks, avec cette vidéo-là, il termine de travailler avec SolidWorks. Et le plus important, c'est qu'il va à son rythme, non? Il n'y a pas de, par exemple, dans une classe où il y a un niveau advanced, donc le professeur il va à niveau tout le monde, tu restes derrière tout le temps et tu oublies, il y a des contraintes, beaucoup de contraintes. Too much constraint in the courses. Okay. Voilà, donc il commence à partir de rien jusqu'à un niveau professionnel. Il y a tout à partir de comment automatiser un sheet drawing, comment tout ce dont vous avez besoin. All the tools you need to work as a professional, they are in this course. Oh, it's full. Anyway, all my courses, they are full. Why? Sorry. I don't give you courses to start to work with the no. It's my course is starting from the beginner to professional. Okay, all because in the future I'm going to give you more courses for Category 5 simulation. Maybe nearly than 10 libraries. In each software in Category 5 and in SolidWorks. Okay, este curso es para profesionales. En primer lugar, para profesionales, gente que quiere migrar de otros softwares, CATIA, AutoCAD, etc., y quiere empezar a trabajar con SolidWorks. He dado este curso para empresas, para ingenierías. ¿Okay? Este curso empieza desde nada, gente que nunca ha trabajado con SolidWorks y empieza a trabajar como profesional. ¿Por qué? Porque doy todo lo que necesita para trabajar, toda la herramienta, ¿no? Y es porque es interesante. Porque hacer cursos, he dado gente a ingenieros que han hecho cursos de SolidWorks y es catastrófico. ¿Por qué? Porque el curso es muy rápido, olvidan, no utilizan y al final no te recuerdas de nada. Ese es el problema, ¿no? So, este curso es realmente interesante. Además voy a dar otros cursos. About 12 library in each software, in Category 5 and SolidWorks. Y doy aproximadamente unos 12 librerías de SolidWorks et de Category 5. Je vais donner à peu près 12 bibliothèques entre SolidWorks et Category 5. tôlerie, solid, piping, tubing. I can give more courses than all my courses for professional. It's not for beginner or courses we've seen. For example, they give you tools now. No. This course it's SketchUp full, as all my courses are full. No. So you follow this course and you finish working as professional. You don't have any kind of problem. All your problems, you have a solution here. No, you don't have any problem, for example, in SketchUp when you can't make solution. It's here, okay. And I hope you enjoy your course because it's the objective, no? Bueno, espero que aproveches el curso porque lo interesante es que aproveches el curso, ¿no? J'espère que vous allez profiter du cours parce que c'est très intéressant et c'est le but, non? And for the companies, I hope they forgive me because I have done this course for companies, but not the same price. I hope they forgive me. That is helping people. Okay. Thank you very much.
We're going to try a long date. Okay, long date. Okay. We have a long date. Okay, so we should customize it. So, okay, now I should need space, so I sketch here, I go. Okay, this one. And this one also. It's okay. I think it's okay. I put here. I can do double. Okay. Okay, date. This date, for example. Okay, we have, for example, here size. Okay, size here. I'm going to link scale size. Here is all what you can see. We have seen how we add a column, how we can add the line. For example, here let's add. Sorry. Here you can add a line above, below. We had a line. For example, why we should do like that? Why? Because if you put more component here, we should write here, no here. No, if you do this, for example, look at if you do that. Now, when we want to write, it's okay. It's stop, not here, and so you can't write. So it's better to work like that, no? In this sense, no. Down is this model, no. Sorry, here. Okay, so now we have our toolbar. It's like a Word. Okay. So, for example, I write here course SolidWorks. Okay. And what I have right here, for example, I can put the color, for example. Okay, come back. Now you can do more than this. So, for example, hide show component. I click, for example, this one. Okay, and if I apply, this is interesting, very interesting. Okay. Or for example, if I want to hide this one, okay, I can do it. What I can do more? Okay, if I click OK, we have our drawing here. So I click again, right, property, hide the component. Now I want to see again. No, I click. If I click here and I delete down. Okay, I click here again and apply, and we see it. Okay, we don't need delete. I click here, delete. Okay, apply.